Because my students found it difficult to remember the difference between these sounds, I found a way to help them by showing them with my hands and my body. A is for apple, and we make the open mouth like we're biting an apple. A. So is for elephant, and elephant's a strong animal with a big long nose, so we make a strong sound. I is a very thin letter, and the sound is very small. O is for orange, which is a round fruit, and we make a round mouth when we say O. So I trace the shape of the circle around my mouth. O. O. And the last one, A, we need an open mouth. So again, we make the shape of the letter when we say the sound A. A. So we have A, I, O, and A. They're important because every word in English has one of these letters in. It can be difficult to tell the difference between these sounds. Also, people speak differently in different parts of the country, so these sounds change depending on where you live.